Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about making a scoring in our Python script in a quiz. So, as you can see, the current script, which I have already made. And first, as you can see, I've got score. So first we set the score to 0. And then, as you can see, that's here. And score equals 0. And then we got our first question. And we're not gonna just write question, are we? We need to write question Q1. We can name that anything, and then we need to do input. So Q1 equals input. Now together we're gonna be making it up. I'm just gonna quickly go through it. So we've already gone through score equals 0, as we already wrote, and now we need to do Q1. That's our first question. So Q1 equals an input. So for that, we need an input, which is a question. So whenever we want to do that, tell the Python script what to write, we do 2 brackets and exclamation marks. So first our question, for example, is going to be what is 4 times 4? We're going to do a nice space, because when we run it, which I will do at the end, it'll be a bit nicer and more ugly. So now we need to make an if statement. So if Q1, we need double equals here, equals 16. To write that 16, we don't just write 16 like that. We have to do exclamation marks, no brackets. Let me do 16. Equals 16, space, colon. Then it's going to print, which means like it's going to come up with and say, and then we do exclamation marks again. But it's going to say well done, because if the player gets the answer correct, the computer will say well done. You have got it correct. You got it correct. Okay, we can do exclamation mark after. You can write whatever you want. So these print parts, you can write wherever you want them. You can change them around if you really want. But now, because we got it correct, we need to add one more to the score. So score equals score plus 1. Not 2, but 1. If you want to make a 2-mark question, you can plus 2. But then you can also tell them 2-mark question. You can over here you can do brackets in it, and you can do 2 marks, whatever. And then over here, plus 1 again. Now we can make an else statement. Now we can write print, bracket, finish mark. It's unlucky, you got it wrong, because obviously the player got it wrong. Exclamation mark. So carrying on with that, we got print. Unlucky, you got it wrong. But then after that, we need to present the score that the player has got for that question altogether, and we'll do the same thing, exact same thing, for every single question. Print, mark, brackets, and they're going to say current score is colon. Explanation mark. I'm going to do plus str score. I'm going to do another exclamation mark because we're making another line inside. Yes, so from over here now we can run the program. Run You can just save it. So I'm going to quickly just save it as quiz, let's say. And now we can run the program. And we made a mistake. Sorry, we made a mistake. Oh, explanation mark, they're in the wrong place. Explanation mark. And the explanation mark needs to actually go there. I think. Let me double check. No, we don't even need an explanation mark. And that school part. Why there 3? Okay, that's better. Alright. Sorry about that. And now we can carry on. Now, it's saying what is 4 times 4. Let's say it's 17. That'd be a wrong answer. So your correct score is 0. You do not get the question right. If you run the program over again, and we have the question, and we type in the right answer, 16, you get 1 more. And we get well done, you got it correct. So, we can copy and paste this. Oops. So now we can copy and paste this. Okay, but we can just change this question. Let's say 6 times 2, which is 12. And now we can do that again. This is how you can just get a very long script. Or you can just, after this, you can just copy and paste all 3 and make it even quicker. And now we can do, let's say 9 times 4. 2, like, oh, I'm writing 4 2. Where did 4 come out of? 18. And then we can do another one, which I got here. Oops. Question gonna be, let's say, 12 times 12. 144. Alright, cool. Now we got how many questions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 questions. Right, run. Run the module. Now I got it. So 4 times 4 is 16. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 9 is 18. Good on 12 is 144. Perfect. Now, over here we have said after every single question, and so now we've said print current score is. We said current score. And the last one we can say final score. Score is string, and then it would say the score. Okay. So, I'm so sorry guys, I made another mistake now. These score parts at the top, we don't need them. They only need to be for the first one because we need to actually set the score to 0, otherwise we don't need them. So, print final score is plus, okay, cool. Right, we got that now. Fingers crossed, no more mistakes. One then we do. Right. Now, first question 16, second question 12, third question 18, fourth question 144. And now, as you can see, our final score is 4. So we would have just gone 1 on 1 because every time I set the score to 0. And really, that's the end. That's what you have to do. You can. I've done this on Python 3.6. It will You can do it on Python. Python? What am I on about? Python 3.4. You can do it on any Python, really. It just has to be recent. Otherwise, you should be fine. So, that's all for today. Bye-bye. See you later. Have a nice day. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. And please like my video. Any questions, just leave a comment below.